Hey everyone, welcome back. And before this video gets going, first I want to thank all my subscribers. Yesterday, which would have been Saturday morning, I hit 200 subscribers, followers, supporters. I can't thank all you followers enough. I started back in February uploading. I did my first real editing on a video back in February, and it just progressed from there. I'm almost up to 10,000 views, and as of today, I'm up to 202 followers. I'm humbled, and I just I can't thank you enough. I don't have anything for a giveaway or anything like that, but all I have to give you is a big thank you. I appreciate it so much. It is so fun. I've learned a lot from the people that I met, the people that I subscribe to. I met people from different states, and which I consider calling them my friends, and I I'm at a loss for words. So in this video right now, it's about getting ready for trapping season, and I'm cleaning, dyeing, and waxing traps. So enjoy. A little crack of the voice there. Enjoy the video, and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment what I could do better as far as getting ready for trapping season. And any criticism is good. Any comment, I'm open. I'm thick-skinned, so enjoy the video. Hey everybody, welcome back. I am out here by my fire pit warming up some water for cleaning some traps off. You got some old dirt down and stuff like that, and I just want to clean them up before I dye them and stuff like that. So I got the water boiling. Then I'll cover it, and I'm just gonna put these in here for a few minutes. All right, trap's been sitting in the water for maybe about a half hour. What I'm going to do now is I got a 5-gallon bucket full of water. I'm going to take that off, let that sit for a little bit, let everything rise to the top, the oil from the new traps and the wax from the old traps. I'm going to let it sit. Then I'm going to take that 5-gallon bucket full of water, dump it into this container right here. As it fills up, it's going to bring all that old stuff to the surface and overflow onto the ground. That way I don't pull any of the traps through the old oil or the oil and the old wax. Stick around. There's a lot of water in here. Holy cow, this is heavy. Woo. I'm going to show you what's in there. You can kind of see a little bit of a oil slick in there. Maybe some of the wax too. Like I said, I'm going to take this 5-gallon bucket of water and overflow all that stuff so it doesn't get on the other traps. I don't think that was enough, so I'm going to use the water hose. I'm going to go and do this until it's clear. Alright, see how clear the water is now? It's still warm. Not bad. I think I'll have to take these into the house and wash them in the sink or something with dish detergent. It's not bad, but could use some TLC. I was gonna dye my traps on Friday or yesterday, on Saturday. Hold on, let me shut this thing off. But it rained out all day yesterday, so I really couldn't start a fire. I don't have a burner for a propane tank, so I couldn't do it that way. Just hauling in my traps because I got to put some trap tags on, so before I dye them. Then I'm going to dye them and wax them today too, so hopefully I can have some time in the afternoon to relax, I guess. So, well, my son and daughter did pretty well. They didn't hunt together. My son went hunting with a friend of his, and my daughter went duck hunting with her boyfriend. She really liked it, so she's going to be getting her license for hunter safety. You see me. So she's gonna I think she's hooked on duck hunting, which is awesome. I am so happy that she's getting into hunting. She went squirrel hunting with me when she was younger, and that was about it. She also shot a chipmunk up north. I had a picture taken, took her picture taken with that. So I thought that was kind of cool. Alright, a friend of mine gave me this long spring trap and as a gift, and it's a Victor. I believe it's a 1 or 2 or something like that. I'm not real certain on sizes, but he says it's a very old trap because it has Victor stamped into the top of the jaw. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this trap, and there's a couple more older traps that I got from my great uncle. I don't want to use them. I just want to dye them and just let them, you know. It's got a lot of history to it. The metal's pretty pitted, which is, I guess it ain't the worst, but I just like this old stuff, and this one's not so bad. Actually, it's quite decent, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's kind of neat, all this old stuff. He farmed and trapped on the side a little bit, I guess, but I really don't know his whole story, but yeah, that's that. We got 2 more traps to put tags on, and I'm going to take this stuff outside. Ooh. Alright, everyone. I got the water on top of the fire, or above the fire. Bringing that to a boil. I went in the house and got 2 5-gallon buckets full of hot water from the bathtub. Yeah, it's kind of cool out. I think it's mid-30s, upper 30s. But once the water comes to a boil, I'm going to use some of that logwood trap dye. Last time I dyed traps, I used the liquid, the concentrate stuff, and I went to the store and to go get some. They didn't have any, so I decided to buy some of the logwood stuff instead. Try that out. A friend of mine uses it, so why not? He uses it, I'll use it. Check back later. Well, I had to kind of start over. I put the trap dye in and it boiled over, so I had to get the fire re-going. Put some cedar on there so it start burning quicker. So now I'm waiting for the water to boil again. I'm gonna stir it up. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and put the traps in. Check back in a couple minutes or an hour. All right. The trap's been in the dye for about an hour now, and I am going to grab a set and I'm going to bring them out of the water and hang them up in the tree. I nailed a couple nails into the branch, and hopefully this wind isn't really drowning my voice out a whole lot. So I'm going to go grab a set and I'll show you what they look like. They took the dye pretty well. Nice and black. This one's real nice. I don't know if you can see. Victor's on there that you can see it. Stick around, and after I pull all of these, I'll let them dry and I'll get set up for dipping them in wax. Alright, now I got some trap wax ready to go. And one bar of wax does 2 dozen traps. Well, I got 1 dozen. And it says here, caution, wax is flammable, so be careful. Do not overheat this, it'll start on fire. Alright, now I'm just going to set this in here and wait. Well, alright everyone, the wax is completely melted. I'll show you that here. The wax is all melted. Time to get the traps and start dipping some traps into the wax. Let's see here. Take 2 traps. What I'm going to do is just submerge them into the water and wax. Hold it there for like 15 seconds in order for the traps to come to temperature for the wax. Bring them out. Shake them off. Come back and hang them up. There. These are all done. I don't know if you can see that or not. A little bit of dripping there, but I can break that off. Well, I hope you found this video informative, and it took me about 2 days, 3 days to do it. I got home from work on Friday. I took a half-a-day vacation, cleaned the traps up. Then Saturday, I couldn't do anything because it was raining all day long. I couldn't start a fire in the fire pit. Then this morning, which is Sunday right now, I did what you saw in the last part of this video, and here I am, getting ready to tell a joke. And subscribe, like, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. All those things drive my channel to do better. And so check this playlist out here, the trap prep. I don't know how many I have, but I have quite a few, so check those out. Well, as usual, I have a joke. You know, you really got to hand it to short people. Mainly because they can't reach it. Man, I'm gonna pay for that one. I hope not. Enjoy the little things.